Hello everyone, welcome to Enjay's Play Space. Welcome to part 8 of Science Magic Trick. And I have here my mommy again.
Hi everyone, I'm glad to join you again. So what are we going to be doing today?
The magic spoon.
All right, let's see what this is. All right, so again, we are using our National Geographic Mega Science Series Science Magic Kit Experiment 5. So that's what we're using, and we are doing the magic spoon that Enjay picked to do today. All right, so I will read as usual, and you do. All right, so the first thing we have to do is we have to pour some water into this cup. Not too much because you want to leave room to put the other item. Now you want to make sure you hold it up. Okay, there we go.
Let's take some water.
All right, and then step 2 is you're going to take a big scoop of hydrophobic sand. Now here's our hydrophobic sand. It's blue. It's in a jar here. Oh, we forgot to check to make sure we had all our items.
Oh!
All right, let's try again. So we need hydrophobic sand, check. Clear cup,
Okay.
big scoop. Show them the big scoop. Big scoop and medium scoop, but we're going to do this one here, the big scoop. Here you go. Water, check. And paper towels, check. All right, so we do have everything that we need. All right. So we did the water, we put that in there. Now we need a big scoop of hydrophobic acid. I'm sorry, hydrophobic sand, not acid, from the jar. Okay, so you want to take a big spoon. Yep, you got it.
Bye.
No, hold on. All right, so what we're going to do, we're not going to pour the sand in like
No
we
way.
did before. That was wrong. But what we're going to do is we're going to lower it in. And it's okay to make mistakes. Just know that that happens with everyone. And so we just keep going. It hurts. All right, so let's go ahead and here you go.
This is going to be hard.
Lower it. Let's lower it and try not to drop any sand in. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's going to take a dunk. 1,
Dunk.
2,
Dunk.
3, all the way in, all the way in. Don't drop any in.
Oh,
Ready?
wow.
And we're gonna pick it up. 1.
Look how it is.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, and oh! Look, it's completely dry. Look at that. That was so cool.
How did it get completely dry?
I don't know. Yeah, touch it.
Wait, I felt some water.
Not really. Look at my hand. I have no water.
What?
Let's try it again. Ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
There we go.
You whip
All
up my
right. That was cool. And guess what? We can end up putting it back in here so we can use it for the next science.
We got some a little wet.
That's all right. And that's the little bit that fell into there. That is so cool.
But that just took a minute.
So you can put sand in the water, but you can't put the water in the sand here. So that was interesting. Boy, that was cool. I really like that. That was interesting how the sand never got wet. And I was able, guys, to put it right back in here. Oh, let me get that drop of water.
I
Put it
can't-
right back in here, and we'll be able to use it again.
I can't believe when we dumped it right to the water, it didn't even get wet.
And now look, now your spoon is wet. All right, that was fun.
And Science Magic Part 8. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have an idea of making a video, tell me. Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to click the like button to like this video and subscribe.